How to check Google Form responses. If you've created a Google form and you're looking to check the responses, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to view and analyze the responses to your Google form quick and easy. So let's get started. First things first, open your Google Drive or Google Forms app if you have the app itself, and simply tap on the form that you've created. Now you can choose to open it via Chrome, Google, or whichever you prefer. Once you've done that, at the top of the screen, here we can find three options, that is questions, responses, and settings. Simply go to the responses tab to see all the data from the people who filled out your form. In the responses tab, here you can find all the summary of all answers, including graphs and charts for multiple choice questions and text responses for open-end questions. Now, if you want to check responses from individual people, simply click on the individual tab and you can scroll through each person's answers one by one. And that's it. That's how you can simply check your Google Form responses in just a few easy steps.